My name is Shanmita and I study in Chettinad Harishri Vidyalayam and I'm doing my grade 12. I am present here at the culturals of Chettinad Harishri Vidyalayam, which is titled The Pira.
My name is Shanmugh. I'm from class 11 from PSBB Numambakam. I've been learning drums for around 8 years, I guess. Drums still my passion. My aim is to complete all of the grades before I'm 18. So, I want to be the best in the city, and probably maybe in the future maybe I'll even be best in the nation or something. I'm just trying, just working on it.
This is our second inter-school culturals, the Vira. So we did the host performance, and Mirchi Shiva was the chief guest, and a lot of other schools came to see us. It was totally splendid to go stand on stage and hear everyone cheering. And the music was brilliant. Everyone liked the selection of songs, and we did a very fast beat rhythm dance.
So yeah, there were many other schools which came from the city, and I really hope they liked our dance. There was amazing audience, and their support was really helpful. We really enjoyed performing for them.
The Bira is a beautiful event and it showcases the talents, the abilities and capabilities of various schools and various students. Not only students, but a lot of tremendous effort and work has gone into making this beautiful event happen. Ecstatically dancing off their feet. There's a DJ there, and we get so many food items. We have a pizza stall, we have gourmet popcorn, we have Old Madras Cafe here, and we have veggies where you get nice green apple drinks, and you get blue 7-Up, and this is the traditional paniyaram to find here. They're actually frying paniyaram.
பிரெட்டு கடை போட்டிருக்கோம் வரி போட்டிருக்கோம் எல்லாம் கட்ட கிச்சனே க்ளீன் பண்ணி கொண்டு வந்துருக்கோம் ஆனால் என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம் இப்போ வரைக்கும் டிசைட் பண்ணல கூடிய விரைவில் டிசைட் பண்ணுவோம் விலாஸ் ஏர்லி ஆஃப் வெரி
Hari Ravi. I'm from Hindu Senior Secondary School. We've come here for the futsal event, myself and 5 other members of my team. There are a lot of schools here, and it's superb here. The atmosphere is really good, and it's kicking off really well. We hope to win the event and hope others play well too.
நாங்கள் சிவசாமி காலேஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். எங்கள் டீச்சர்ஸ்லேருந்து எல்லாருக்கும் நாங்கள் தேங்க்ஸ் சொல்லுவேன். ஏன்னா இது இவ்வளோ பெரிய ஈவெண்ட் ஆக்சுவலி ஹரிஸ்ரீ வித்யாசம் செட்டிநாடோட குரூப் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணது. இது பேர் திங்ஸ் ஆஃப் விழா. ஆனால் இதுக்கு நிறையா ஸ்கூல்ஸ் வந்து அலோவ் பண்ணாங்க. ஆனால் எங்கள் ஸ்கூலில் ஃபஸ்ட் இது பண்ணி அனுப்பிச்சி விட்டாங்க எங்கள் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்காக. ஸ்டடீஸ்லையும் கான்சன்ட்ரேட் பண்ணாங்க, இதுக்கும் அனுப்பிச்சாங்க. கண்டிப்பாக வின் பண்ணுவோம் பார்க்குறாங்க. தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் அவர் டீச்சர்.
Hello, this is Sakshi and Machika. We're from Holy Angels Academy Higher Secondary School, and this is the hairstyle I've done. It's like a flower basket. I've just done a braid here and a flower here, and it's kind of a hairband here. Initially I started learning this from internet, and it's become a passion of mine, and I love doing hairstyles.
I'm Santosh. So I've been cubing for like 2 years now, and it got me first. I really got interested in around 8th grade when my friend told me that it could be solved. Then I looked on the internet, and I don't know, it just grasped my interest. Then I taught a couple of my friends how to solve it, and now we solve it in anywhere between 9 and 11 seconds. So I had gone to a bunch of other school culturals, and I had seen this cubing event there. So we decided, why not have it in our Bira, the HSV Bira also. So we've conducted a cubing competition at the Bira.
My name is Almaz, and my name is Bhavana. We're coming from Sri Shankara Vidyashram and we're in class 11. So we've come here today for the Chettinad Hari Sri Vidyalayas The Villa 2015 Culturals. It seems so fun and we are participating in the street art event right now. It's a beautiful chance for all the artists out there. They just give us an opportunity to express our talents and stuff.
Hi, I'm Megha of DAV Girls Senior Secondary School and I'm here to do a t-shirt designing on the magic needle. Here I'm making a grass, weeds, starfish and I'm going to put a mermaid here and there are going to be many things which I'm going to design in this t-shirt.
And I'm Shivani from DAV Girls as well. We're designing a t-shirt using recycled things and we're going to show an underwater scene using all these decorative items. There's going to be mermaid, fishes.
This is the starfish we are making here and we are going to put turtles and a big mermaid with so many decorative items.
Hi, I judge the theatrics event at Veera. I hope I pronounced that right today. It's great that the culturals are inculcating drama events because it gives students an opportunity to plan beforehand and really go through the rehearsal process right from conceptualizing the idea to rehearsing and then performing it. So they have a say in the whole final product. So it's nice and it's fun and it's great to see more people doing drama in the city.